we have for the barbecue grill kit. Something that's very nice indeed. So when you have a, old top and you want to barbecue, you simply just clean things up, get the things off, throw a mat down. The mat is weather resistant and it lays on, grips to the table. A nice close-up look at it. Put it on, lay your utensils down, put your wood chips in, and when you're ready to barbecue and put your spices on, you have your hamburgers here, ready to go. It's a nice mat to do all your work and put your chips inside when you're ready to put it into the barbecue. Everything's nice and neat for you. And there you have a barbecue mat of your needs for your barbecue utensils, spices, and more. Simply just remove your utilities, your items, give a little shake, clean up, and place back on for another time. Excellent for your barbecue needs. Have a great day and enjoy your mat if this is right for you.